Good morning. Today I'll be talking about our experience with oral valcyclovir during induction phase of ARN. So ARN is antiviral therapy is the mainstay of treatment. Unfortunately, ARN is often unrelenting and the complication of RD often results in a poor visual outcome. So the purpose of our study was to determine efficacy of a regimen of oral valcyclovir 1000 milligrams TID along with intravitreal ganciclovir, and if using the retinal zones and clock hours of involvement can be used to plan aggressive treatment. So our study was a retrospective review. We recorded the extent of retinitis in the same way that Holland et al. Proposed for CMV retinitis. And our protocol was to use 1000 milligrams TID with intravitreal ganciclovir and prednisolone. If the macula was threatened, we would initially start with IV acyclovir at 10 milligrams TID for 5 days before starting valcyclovir 1000 mg. We chose this protocol as a patient demography cannot afford to stay for 10 to 14 days as advised in standard treatment protocol with IV acyclovir during induction phase. First dose ganciclovir was given at presentation. Number of subsequent injections were then decided based on response to treatment. All our patients were followed up till ARN had regressed. So 30 patients and 36 eyes were included. The mean age was around 45 years, equally distributed between male and females. The median duration of symptoms was 15 days before they presented to our OPD. Most of the study eyes had less than 6 clock hours of retinitis. Most of the eyes fell into zone 3 involvement, while 4 eyes had zone 1 involvement. Most of our patients were then started on 1000 milligrams TID of valcyclovir. These patients either had zone 3 or zone 2 involvement and less than 6 clock hours of retinitis. From our 30 patients, 7 patients were given IV acyclovir, and the reason it was given was they had low presenting BCVA, more than 6 clock hours of retinitis, and zone 1 necrosis. IV acyclovir was given for 5 days before switching to oral valcyclovir. The mean duration of treatment was 6 months. Initial response was seen mostly within 20 days, and the median time to complete resolution was 60 days. There was a statistically significant correlation between zone involvement and time to see initial response. In zone 1, it was seen at 45 days, while zone 2 at 30 days, and zone 3 14 days. However, there was no statistically significant correlation with time to achieve complete resolution. 23 of our study eyes were given intravitreal ganciclovir. In the others, the patients were not willing. The ganciclovir was given within 1 week of presentation, and in 65.2%, we noted that necrosis started healing at the 1 week follow-up visit. These eyes were given a mean injection of 1, and it was found there was no statistic significance in final BCVA whether ganciclovir was given or not. At initial presentation, 69.4% had BCVA less than 612. Unfortunately, even at final visit, most of our patients still had a BCVA less than 612. This was because of development of RRD. So 25% of our patients developed RRD, but we found no statistically significant correlation between zone of involvement, the clock hours of retinitis, or whether ganciclovir was given. After the study period, 11% had active retinitis, and final BCVA was found to be better with less than 6 clock hours of involvement. So the purpose of our study was to determine if oral valcyclovir with ganciclovir is effective, and to determine if extent of retinal involvement can give a better outcome in planning treatment. Although most authors advocate 2000 milligrams TID valcyclovir, we found that 1000 milligrams was sufficient because only 6 eyes developed recurrent ARN during study period, and 4 eyes had active retinitis at final visit. Zone 1 involvement took longer for initial treatment response to be seen, but zone of involvement had no statistic significance in time to complete resolution, incidence of RD, and final BCVA. The median time to initial response was 20 days and complete resolution was 60 days. And this was similar to findings seen in other studies where the 1000 or 2000 milligrams was used. 25% developed RD, and these similar reports are seen in other studies as well. Lower final BCVA was led to lower final BCVA if initial BCVA was low, and if less than 6 clock hours of retinitis, final BCVA was better. So the points you would like to highlight is that oral valcyclovir 1000 milligrams provides a similar response even at compared to higher dosages. Intravitreal ganciclovir might not play a role in final BCVA. Zones and clock hours of retinitis can be used to grade ARN, and arresting to within 6 hours of retinitis can lead to better final BCVA, but this may not play a role in terms of incidence of RD. However, a prospective randomized trial could help reach a better conclusion to our findings. Thank you.
Did you give a single injection of intravitreal ganciclovir or repeat injections were required?
In some patients, repeat injections were required, especially when zone 1 necrosis was there. In some patients, those patients we had to give 3 or up to 5 injections also to see the initial response.
After what duration do you repeat them?
We would see at the 1 week follow-up visit, ma'am. If we saw response, we would not repeat. If there was no response, then we would repeat.
And
ma'am.
oral steroids, for how long did you, in all patients oral steroids were given?
Yes, ma'am. Usually we start with oral valcyclovir.
No, steroids.
Yes, ma'am. We
Or
would start
with along
steroids.
same
Yes,
day,
ma'am.
okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And how long were they given? For like valcyclovir you have given for 6 months.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
And
ma'am.
steroids?
Steroids, we would start tapering, ma'am.
Okay.
Within 2-3 weeks, we would start tapering and stop if we were seeing response.
Like for 1 month, 2 months, how
Yes.
long were they given?
Around a month, ma'am.
Month.
Yes, ma'am.
So you started the valcyclovir 5 days after the injection or started immediately?
When patient presented, we would start with valcyclovir, sir, and then we would do our investigations. So when the patient came for follow-up, if he felt IV acyclovir was needed, we would start. We would give for 5 days and then again go back to oral valcyclovir.
Supposing today you are given an injection of ganciclovir,
Yes.
when is the patient coming back for the follow-up?
They come back within 1 week, sir. 1 week follow-up, we advise. Sorry? At Arvind Hospital, sir, in Madurai.
Thank you very